race start was awesome.
Huh?
That race start was awesome.
Right?
You made up like 6 places on the race start. That
I
was
couldn't
awesome.
hold it.
Good job.
I couldn't hold it. I had
Hey.
no chance.
Horsepower is tough. That's okay.
Hey, good
but you
job.
held it on driving skill.
Good job on avoiding that spin.
Oh my
Dude,
God.
I avoided
that shit
the
was-
spin. I avoided the SR3. He just
Really?
dive bombed me onto turn 1, and he locked up. So I went wide because I knew he wasn't gonna make it.
Hey, I better to avoid in that case.
Yeah.
That was proper. That was a good job.
Yeah,
Good
yeah.
job, Nabib. Well done.
Thank you, thank you,
Get some water when you get out.
thank you, buddy. Thank you.
I'm gonna say the prettiest little podium area car parking job ever, Julie Hall. Thank you, Julie. Yes.
Thank you, Julie!
Hey, Julie! Yeah!
Julie, yay for Julie. Now she's gonna check your tires.
I am actually.
All right, we'll get everybody hydrated. If you need some high quality H2O, we've got some over here at the, and our PSSA competitors, that stands for prototype. All right, we'll give you the mic here quick, Nabib. Go ahead and, am I killing that first name?
No, you're saying it right. Everything is good.
Okay, and just how was your race out there?
It was amazing. This is like my first national race, and it's amazing to be doing it with Kaizen Autosports, and just I love prototypes, so it's a dream come true for me, you know. So I'm just buzzing right now. I'm just happy to be here. So
We're happy to have you here as well. All right, Adam, take the mic. Tell us about your race.
I thought it was a pretty good race. A lot of competition out here. You know, Nabib, his first time in prototype, my first time in prototype. We're trying to get him up to speed, and I think he's doing pretty good for a first time in the prototype. And couldn't thank Kaizen enough for giving us the car and letting us race and putting the car together and make sure it goes fast. And looking forward till tomorrow.
Excellent. All right, that's our PS3 group. PS3, hold those certificates up. Make sure everything looks pretty. These photos go lots of places, so we thank our Summit for our certificates today. Make sure again, guys, that you give those to someone else because you will lose them, right, Gary? All right, now let's go our PS2. PS2 is Keith Taylor. Come on up, Keith.
I didn't see the